Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up public address system, updated. Start by mapping the room and marking speaker positions for even coverage. Choose speaker types and amplifier power matched to the room size and SBL goals. Label every cable and test each microphone channel individually. Use balanced XLR runs for long distances and avoid grounding loops. Walk the space while playing speech to confirm intelligibility, and adjust EQ sparingly for clarity. Choose gear that fits your budget and event needs, starting with a mixer, amplifiers, speakers, and microphones. Prioritize balanced connections and reliable stands and mounts to prevent failures. Route cables neatly and secure them to avoid trip hazards and interference. Label both ends of every run to speed troubleshooting. Power conditioners and surge protection protect gear and enhance reliability, and a quick sound check saves time and embarrassment during the event. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical setup guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is a lightweight way to catch manuals and tech guides between shows without lugging papers. Its crisp display and great battery make downtime reading effortless, which I appreciate on long load-ins. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, you might thank yourself at the next show. Now let's get back to the video. Start system setup early, powering equipment in the recommended sequence and connecting inputs first. Set mixer gains conservatively and watch meters to prevent clipping while maintaining headroom. Walk the venue while playing test tones or speech to catch dead spots and feedback sources. Apply modest EQ and use a high-pass filter to reduce rumble. Test monitors or stage wedges for performers and rehearse mic technique to reduce feedback and improve clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.